every Sunday biano. What chatem didie? Sorry.
I'm a crab for Bragan and Sam TV, so I de attribute a dear just so any promise the blogger. Yemia or TikTok, a sunny strong warning, and a prophet Kofi Oduro say, in some huno, and in some fua or solia odino, unjai. Now in some other two janabusia, emu druancasa, no crown mano intiminka, Nemono, young boom room straight. Then go to some more, Yemia Bama to Jano, and Brani, we are. Yes, so actually I drink. I got on Sam TV, a dear just so any promise.
Kofi Oduro. Osofu Kofi Oduro. Kofi. Kameya kwese every Sunday biano. Ochiratem didie. Sorry. Every blessed day. Ochiratem didie. De wa esise kwasia. De wa ye kachira obi se oye Gyimifour. Sakasa we nyina free wanu muba asesofo. Na metie u video bi dia woka na ayenokore Ghana kasa bia no yebetimi di akwa airport wo na kasa bia no yebetimi ayisu but kasa bia woka aye no ana memani anye ho se enkrofo bi free se Ghana ye wo mu nko adia na mibusa sasa ya wo preachi wie Kofi wie a aya wo tena se dwene ho ana patashi na aya wo onum ninti wo kasa aya wo nwene ho Kofi Oduro debia wo ka dimi wonim sasa kasa na wo ka ni nyina no wo kama wa wo ho dia wo ka ye no wonim se betimi dia asema ba na nkrofo ben na aya wo modi oman ni boso wo mususu se oman ni yom dia nkrofo ben Wajimi papa Kofi Oduro. Uye Gyimifour te wobia. Minim sa petesi na ya wonnom nti. Sa ya na fa otirimo. Wotwetwe ntokwa ba wo ma we mu no wajimi. Kofi Oduro uye Gyimifour. Abusian fanchame de bia wo dire simpie so se wobia Gyimi but wo kasa no uye Gyimifour. Every blessed day wo tratem didie. Asesofo uchiratem didie wo asore wajimi ana oyiri wontumfo wajimi Kofi Oduro wajimi suenyansa no wajimi wasire wo kon wo tiri ho ama wo kon wayire tan se de wo jeje ntokwa so no unya ajimi no wo kwasiam panini kura te se wo Kofi Oduro utimi ka kire nananom bi se wo munya ajimi no abra wo wunim se wajimi sa enti wo Kofi a aya preach yan wo preach no wo Kofi a wo say tie die wan kanyan sasam aya wo kanyan sasam ba konkura wo enti atemu na wo tiatemu no wadimi na suenyansa Kofi Oduro wo ye Gyimifour aden ye te wo ma we mu asomdwem emre bia bo pese modi ade de ntokwa beba asesofo de nka kasa afanu no mienu nyina no eyese nko bia ye woke Usiesie, uka weyanim, waka weyanim, uyan wakanya bom, but u kasa no, anya kasa pa, and yasum dieba, and crofo bay, na ya omususis a Ghana, a you omudia, uye Gyimifour Kofi Oduro. What Gyimi do, no siansa, what Gyimi? O yeri yan kwama na wo hwea. Ekwa wu muse ya, esenke ma wunyansa, ba wo hwe o yeri nkwan a ema Gyimi. Wo mi di wachi ya wanwe akasa ameka no enye papa ba mi wo bubu se wo yesofo enti wo mo asore de mayo mbot aya nsem no mo ka no mo ti akanfo wo mo eso akanfo ne bu mo nsem ama because of the other show mo ntimti wajimi tribalism na wo ye ne wa asore no Kofi Oduro wajimi Kofi Oduro wo ye Gyimifour le suenyansa ja petashinum ne je Gyimi metwa so u preachi wie na Kofi ya tena se dwene ho de wo kan se de me kan de asomdwe ba da bia wo tratam didie obi nya Gyimi obi nya nkwase asem a wo kan wo mu so wa Gyimi na de na ntimi kan tro se me Kofi Oduro me Gyimifour
Ebusi ebo wa kwa ba biom ale Ghana Nsem TV se ne yegu so eka no Prophet Kofi Oduro aya ne ho se onim nyansa esen obi a wo man we mu but you say nyansa bebre a uma ponchi den achi. This man is an NDC man and everybody knows. But opese mrebia no create confusion. This guy calls himself a prophet or a pastor. Na unya akwenya se obe preaching nyame asem de atwe nsulting no. Onye wo. Then you'll be insulting presidents. You'll be insulting chiefs. You'll be insulting people on more high ranks, all because on your more enya dream will be on more count. How can you call yourself a prophet or a pastor? In this video I'll share, he was trying to find a way to insult the Ashantis. He was trying to find a way to insult the Ashantis. And that's Prophet Kofi Oduro for you. Dear onimi ye pa ne se undiatem. So for Timmy, that's what them can say. Gyimifour. You call yourself a pastor. Bane saying obia, o yes of war. Wo na wo no wo kanya miasa machi obi amane wetia mo widen. What is that? If in the boni o ye muno. And the onimi ye pa ne say ubediatem. Oko kan Rebecca say be a otan no. And now say be a politics. And your politics near ye. So for the inka yehu ye wona wo kan nsem a ebese sanipa efi omusuba eboni omede omuwom no maba abaya de papa de abo man no mama na de etumpon but wo de onya akunya ne bia na eya atemdidi who does that? Who does that? And one say Ghana nankasa so akoye omanya sebi produce and they don't have your form. The what dream from one can go to one man and nipa way. No preaching man because when I say a doctor near work school, I worked a certificate kakakakakakakawe as doctor. I could school a nurse, teacher, we a professor, we a soldier, police. I could not see. Then this guy. See you preach church or preaching no preaching no. It's all about insults. It's all about insults. It's all about insults. Bro, check things that is happening in this country. This guy ain't mean can once them. Uko Savannah region Mahama Krum. 40,000 people have been misplaced. 13,000 Akodano refugees. Cote d'Ivoire. This guy has not talked about it. But imagine it happened at another damn Kofi. Oh la la. Abode. Asose mwa. Kan sama obeka. In sama nka obeka no bro. Kawanka sauti ya wadwin boom. Behind there because it is his party, his brother Julius Debra is affiliated and is the even is the chief of staff no. Bro is not ready to talk about those staffs. You see? But he calls himself a pastor. He calls himself a pastor. This is the kind of country I'm in near there. A team. The pa and your muti on my no on suba in sanity. And sometimes sometimes because this guy I've known from the one to say with Jimmy. That's the truth. I've known. Say with Jimmy, I didn't know form and I wasn't expecting him to come and say anything sensible.